Hey, Reese Thomas here of the Reese Thomas Institute of Energy Healing. Welcome to video 3 of my Energy Healing Power video training series. In this video, you're going to learn to unlock your full potential and purpose in life, and it may be even something that you didn't even realize you possess. And the real power that comes to you, the energy that comes back to you when you are aligned and align your body and your chakras and your focus in life with your soul's purpose. Oh, and at the end of this video, I'm going to be offering you, there's going to be a surprise gift that's worth over $1,000. And so definitely stay till the end, but don't stay to the end just for the prize. Stay to the end because this work that we're going to talk about here is the foundational, advanced work that I do at the Reese Thomas Institute, where we help people create this rock that they build their life on, this solid, unmovable, unbendable sense of purpose in life. So don't miss this. We're going deep today. But let's do a quick review, or quick recap of the first 2 videos that we did to get you ready for today. So in video number 1, we talked about the big lie that you don't heal yourself, doctors do. And that this lie has quietly disconnected you from the true source of your power to heal, the energy you need to heal within you, which is the power also to create and transform your life. So if you find your life's a little stuck, chances are really good you've given away your power somewhere. Today we're going to try to get that back. And when we talked about that lie, we also talked about the lie led you to believe that you have the wrong problem. So you keep trying to fix the wrong problem. And so what was the wrong problem that we talked about? The wrong problem was that your symptoms are the real problem and that you need to fix these symptoms if you're ever going to be happy again. But it never really works because symptoms aren't the problem or the illness. They are just symptoms of a real problem that until you find the real problem, just get worse and worse. In video number 2, we learned that the real problem and solution has to do with your level of energy that's being blocked by one simple yet profound thing. And that one simple, profound thing, no doctoring, no healing, no pills, no supplements, and no shaman or guru, they can't make permanent change in you until you figure out this one thing. So the real problem is when you gave up your power to heal, you forgot who you are. So the real problem is that you've forgotten how powerful you are. And the solution to that is simple. Remember, without a doubt, who you are and what kind of energy you actually have to be a change agent in the world. And from now on, don't betray that power ever again. That's what we're here to do today. That's what we're going to be working on for the rest of today in this video. So let's dig in. So how do you learn who you are? Well, in my book, Discover Your Purpose, How to Use the 5 Life Purpose Profiles to Unlock Your Hidden Potential and Live the Life You Were Meant to Live, it took me 366 pages to tell you everything you need to know to align your life with your soul's energetic blueprint. And I also offer a 4-year training in energy medicine in my school where the primary tool for healing is recognizing and embodying your soul's purpose and energy that transcends illness, not combats it. You see, your life purpose is never a job. It's a divine spark that's inside of you that you should fan into a fire of your passion that ignites both you and others to reach your highest potential. Here are 3 steps to find your purpose you will never find in your Myers-Briggs or Enneagram behavior tests. Your behaviors and abilities are often just symptoms of the programming that your ego and your brain got while you were growing up. We're after something much deeper than that. How to unlock your unique healing powers and energy that have to do with your energetic purpose, not the way you've been behaving throughout your life. Even if you've been behaving very nicely, chances are good you've left a few things in the back. So let's start. The 3 first steps to knowing your one soul mission and life purpose are: 1, the first step is to see yourself and your physical body and gifts not as science taught you in biology class, as some random mutation of the human genome that learned how to think and drive a car, but instead is the divine child of energy the product of a soul blueprint specifically created for one amazing purpose that has never been seen before and will never be seen again in this world or this universe or any universe. Your purpose is that important. And what's important in what we're going to talk about now is your body, in simple terms, is the perfect energetic reflection of your soul. It's like the hieroglyphics written on the temple walls in Egypt, left for you, that once you decipher them, you have the key to the whole universe. The Ankh that the Egyptians called eternal life, that's your body. Your body is the Ankh. Your body is the key to eternal life. So question one is, why do you have the body that you have? And please don't ask your brain. Ask your body. Listen to your body. Your purpose must be felt, not thought. So as you're feeling it, notice, what's your body type? What size is it? What's its strength? What's its coordination level? How much energy and emotion do you have? What are your desires and what drives you in your life? How competitive are you? What kind of intelligence? What kind of psychic abilities do you have? How do you experience your chakras and spiritual awarenesses? And how does it talk, walk, run, play, and dream? And now that you've got a sense of your body type, and that body type has to be the body type of the character and energy and purpose of your soul, question number two is, what spiritual Olympic event were you born to win the gold medal in? Think about that. And you can create your own event if you want. A gold medal in laughing with friends, loving nature, organization, party planning. Maybe you're super good at auto mechanics, or maybe you've got this deep compassion for everyone and just have a huge heart. What are you wired for that no one else in the world can do? That's what you're after here. And it may be that you're going to be the next Michael Phelps. You may be that. You may be the next Roger Federer, who just by swinging his tennis racket motivates people to be more graceful in their lives. What are you here to do? So that's number one. Second step is to answer the question, why that body? Not just what it can do, but why? And what higher purpose does it serve? Because your soul serves a much higher purpose in the universe, in the world, in the life. And then you got to ask the question, which of the 5 divine soul attributes you're connected to that motivate your actions? So let's say you're Roger Federer. What motivates him to get up and develop that perfection in his tennis game? You know, what motivates you to go deeper into nature, or be a photographer, or what is it that you're the most drawn to? And understand that the 5 soul qualities are very simple. You see them in the world, and you know that those leopards do not change their spots. There are people in the world, there are souls in the world that are here to lead. They inspire, they charm, they drive, they fight, they do whatever it takes. They're the big change agents in the world. And then there's people that are here to achieve. They're souls that come in to achieve, and it's like personal best for them. They're after their personal best, and they model achievement so others can achieve as well, can see, oh, it's possible. And then there are people that are here as caretakers. They're here, they're huge team players. They love to support the team, everyone in the world. They want everyone to succeed, and they support everyone in succeeding that way. And that's a soul quality. That's not just a learned behavior. These are not behaviors. Behaviors are just symptoms. These are the real core qualities within people that that are literally like the spots on a leopard. You don't get to take them off. That's what you were born with. That's what you die with. That's the whole life. And when you align with that, it's key. And there's two more. There's the loving ones, the deep ones, the deepest sensitive, most gentle, most deer-like people in the world with the big eyes and just the soft, gentle natures. Okay, and that's a soul quality. That's not something that randomly happened. You didn't just get that from your mom or your dad. Your soul has that, lifetime after lifetime. And you need to figure out which one that is. And the last one, which I have a lot of, is the creative. And the creatives are just here to make sure that you don't do the same dumb thing every day. You try something new, you push yourself to the next level. And though we all do some of them, one of them is the reason you exist and are here right now on planet Earth in this time and space. And not knowing it makes your life exhausting and confusing and totally trial and error. And once you know this soul quality within you, every day becomes an adventure in your life, because you wake up like a 3-year-old going, I'm back, what's on for today? And even if it's hard and you cry and you have a problem or you get hurt, it's part of the adventure. Rather than, if you don't know what you're doing here, you don't know this purpose, you don't know this core soul driving meaning and motivation within you, your day can, even when you're successful, you kind of say, well, it was okay. You want to have that passion again in life. And the third and final step is simple. Add step 1 and 2 together and answer the question, what kind of healer are you? I know. You're like, what do you mean, what kind of healer am I? Am I a doctor or a therapist type of healer? Or am I a table healer? Am I an inspirer? What kind of healing do I do? And we were talking about, Roger Federer and Michael Phelps. They're healers just by modeling what they do in the world. They motivate people to be better in their lives. So that's what a healer does, right? A healer reminds you of your energy. They show you how theirs works and they bring that up in you. But I'll give you an easier way to find out the answer to number 3. Ask the people who have interacted you the most in your life. Ask them what they get from you when they walk away, okay? How have they been inspired to do more? Inspired to be more? Inspired to care more? Inspired to love more? Inspired to see new and creative solutions to their lives? Which thing do they get from you? That's probably a really good indication as to what your purpose is. Waking people up that may still be stuck on the on-ramp of life to their potential simply by being your purpose, it elevates everyone you meet. It's your sole purpose and makes you the healer the world needs right now. So healing isn't something you do, it's something you are that comes from the inside out. And if this is what you're looking for in your life, and you're ready to heal what's deepest within you, releasing old stories and past traumas, or redesigning your life to become a fully integrated, authentic, and loving person for yourself and for others, if you're done dabbling in quick fix, pre-recorded online programs that don't deliver the wisdom, practices, and community you're truly looking for, I got something for you here. Plus, I have a surprise mystery bonus for you that is a totally risk-free opportunity to test out what I'm talking about here. And I want to offer it to you now. Imagine this. What if you had the knowledge and skills to take control of your destiny and transformation of your life, even in trying times? To see the shackles you've never noticed before that are truly holding you back and keeping your energy dangerously low. I want to show you how to break free from those shackles, call back your energy, and create a life that inspires you and everyone you encounter. And I'm inviting you, risk-free, to check out my flagship virtual program, the Reese Thomas Institute Life Mastery Training Program, that has been in business now for almost 20 years, waking up thousands of people to their deepest purpose and their highest potential as healers in the world. The Reese Thomas Institute virtual program is a deep dive, integrated immersion journey of awakening, healing, and lasting transformation that you can do from the privacy of your own home with one in-person immersion weekend each year. And if you apply today, don't forget, you get the risk-free test drive of the first immersion weekend that's worth over $1,000. I'm going to finish up now, but let me give you a short list of all we offer in the program. You get 5 full spectrum healings. There are multi-year options for learning as well. So after 1 year, you decide, wow, this is awesome, I really want to go deeper. We offer even more. You learn a 4-dimensional healing system that is based on 12 chakras, not 7. You get a total clarity on your life purpose and your mission. The Life Mastery Program offers you clarity of your soul's purpose and a roadmap to truly living it. A team of master teachers who support you day in, day out, throughout the year, through the Zoom classes, through Student Resources Portal, through phone calls, to create a loving environment so you can build the courage to break the mold of where you are and the courage to step fully into your life. Your deepest purpose calls you in every moment to stand up and make a difference. We make sure you do it. Don't settle for less. Go to your deepest roots. Apply now. Look at the description below in the window, click it there. When you click the link, you go to an application page at the Reese Thomas Institute Life Mastery Training, fill out the short application, and I will get on a phone call with you and make sure that this is the right thing for you right now in your life. And don't forget, you get a risk-free first weekend in the program, $1,000 value, just by signing up now. So what does it take to master your life? Change doesn't happen instant presto, but it unfolds over time, especially change that's meant to last. Systematically releasing a whole new level of your life so you can open to the possibilities of a better one. This is why I created this program. This is why it's not just a weekend workshop, which you can do, but it's set up so that it supports you over a year, over 2 years, over 3 years, over 4 years, as long as you want to stay in this work and develop this incredible power, energy, and transformation abilities within you. And it integrates the best of what I've discovered over the last 20 years. All you need to do, go below, click, fill out the application, and I'll call you, and we'll get together on the very first weekend, which is coming up soon. I look forward to seeing you in the Life Mastery Training Program at the Reese Thomas Institute of Energy Healing. Bye for now.